Hey, welcome back to Gerty's Adventures. I know it's been a few weeks. With all this lockdown and stuff, we haven't been able to go anywhere. But I have been getting a couple things done. I got the outside of the RV washed and redone with the compound. And I'll have a video for you once that's all complete. Right now I'm about 3/4 of the way done. Still have the front to do. And actually the final wax coat. Hopefully it'll show up on video, but we'll see. But today I got something in that I need to fix on the RV, and it's actually for the toilet. Oh great, a toilet video. Nobody wants to see that. Well, this is the valve assembly. When we were down in Florida over Christmas break, it actually started leaking. It was right out of the top of the assembly. Found the easiest way was just to purchase a whole new one. It was less than $20 on Amazon, shipped it directly to me, and I still got it during the Corona scare. So, we're going to take a few minutes. I'm going to switch this out. Plus, I also had a request a little bit ago to show you our TV that we mounted on the front. We got rid of the old box TV, put in this new one with a very nice mount. So we're going to take a quick peek at that once we're done with the toilet. So, let's go back and take a look at it, guys. What do you say? Alright guys, I think I got you in the best vantage point. Sorry you're behind the toilet. I'm not exactly sure it's clean back there, but we'll see. So, as I said, we had a leak start to happen. If you pull off this cover here, right here on the top of this, we start getting water dripping out. Now we were down in Florida at the time, so wasn't a good place to switch it out. So we actually just used a cup catch the water, keep it from seeping into the floor and ruin my floor. But I was now able to get online, and using the manual for the toilet that I still had, I was able to order the exact replacement part. Looks just about right, doesn't it? So there's only a couple screws that hold this into the side, and they actually sent new ones for me, thanks. One clamp here, another hose clamp here, and I think I'll be able to pull this off, switch it out real quick, and hook it back up, make sure it doesn't leak, and we'll be good to go for another 20 years. Well, that's how long this one lasted. So just hang on a minute, guys. I'm gonna go get some tools. I'll be right back with you. All right. Hey guys, welcome back. I got my tools set up now. So I think I'm going to start with this top clamp here and just loosen it up. Should be loose enough now. See if I can pull this top line off. There we go. Now, I'm actually going to do these next two screws here that go into the toilet. And two. And now, it makes it much easier to get to this last hose. So I'm going to pop that off. Easy as pie. Verify again. Parts look the same. And they're almost identical. Oops. Pop this hose back on. Make sure it gets pretty snug. Put it back in place. My other screws back in. Sorry guys, I actually had to wiggle this a little bit in order to get the screws to line up so they go back in place. But now they're sliding right back in. Alright, now they got those nice and tight down. You can see it doesn't move when I do the valve. All I have is this final hose clamp on top to pull into place. And I'll clamp this down tight. And once I do that, I'm actually going to go hook up the water and give it a test run to make sure we don't have any other leaks. So I'm going to run outside. Be right back, guys. Hey guys, well, I got everything hooked back up. Water pressure's on, and just a little bit of leak coming out of this bottom one, so I did have to tighten it a little bit. I'm actually going to keep an eye on it for a little bit with the pressure on, make sure I don't have any more leaks. But now, nothing's coming out here at the top, which is where our problem was before, and she flushes good. So, I'm going to consider that a win. Like I said, as long as we don't have any more leaks here, it's all good. Well, that's just about going to close out for this part, but hang on just a minute. Hey guys. Back in the comfy chair here now. So everything in the bathroom is working, and I think I'm going to close out the video for today. But stay tuned. Next time I'm going to show you that TV, and maybe we'll get to take a look at the rubbing compound I used from the outside. But till next time, see ya. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you didn't. Hey, write me down in the comments. Tell me what I did good. Tell me what I did bad. I'm still learning here, people. But thanks.